real lean. And off Keith goes for his run. No bodyguards, no Rolls Royces, no Bentleys, just the Terminator, all alone. No entourages with him. No big TMT bodyguards.
I'm about to go run with him.
You ain't running nothing with him. Catch up.
I can run 5 miles.
Catch up. He's gone. It's over.
Have enough good shit.
St. Pete Boxing Gym, home of the champ, keeping it simple. St. Pete. Dan, that's a big truck, my man.
I had to jump out.
You got any work done to it? Obviously, I see.
Oh, yeah.
I see exhaust. I see suspension.
600 horsepower.
600. What is it? Supercharged?
It's a diesel. My son's a diesel mechanic, so all you do.
Turbo diesel.
Yeah. Yeah, you program these things. You don't have to do much to them. You stick them on a program. The power's already there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fast.
Sounds like, I didn't even know that was you yesterday when you took off. I'm like, whoa.
I've got a 67 Camaro SS.
Oh, I love Camaros. I got a 2010. Oh, look at who's this. Look at who's this, guys. All alone, making that run. They're sprinting. No cameras. They don't even know I'm looking. Look at the Terminator all the way in the front. Uh-oh.
I thought you burned it off.
Clarence, how'd you even catch up with him?
Huh?
How'd you even catch up? Because he left a lot sooner than you.
He called me. He was coming back. I caught him on the way back.
Oh, yeah. I know he left a lot sooner than you. So.
I mean, he didn't run that far.
You seen Tommy in the ring.
That's Boxing MD, everybody. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, the Roarinator. Boxing MD working out at Keith Thurman Gym. This is what the Boxing Voice does, man. Bring wishes. Make wishes happen. Look at it. I don't know, but he's trying to hide. He's trying to hide, guys. He doesn't want to show his technique on camera.
What are you talking about, man? Miami.
Oh no, him. He didn't want to show his.